You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. I am out here in Kentucky. This is the first time you seen a barnyard behind me. This is the only time you probably gonna see a barnyard behind me. But we out here with these Kentucky tings. Kentucky got some tings out here. Okay, don't sleep on Kentucky. If you need to come out here. So we are doing this nice vibe right here. So we gonna have a one light setup. It's pretty nice out here. Sky's starting to come out. But here to help me, I have Miss Faith. So where can they slide in a DM at?
@_FaithCross.
But don't slide in the DM. You know, I'm just joking. I'm just trying to make her smile a little bit. Okay, so we're shooting with the Nikon Z7 II, Godox AD200, and we have a 36-inch beauty dish. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, you not gritty? You had the gritty for me?
I don't do no dance.
You don't do no dance?
No, but you got it.
Okay. Yeah, what's the TikTok? Oh no, what's that?
No, I don't do that.
Oh, you don't do that. Okay. I'm just trying to get it all. You know, I've been seeing the latest ones. You know. All right, but you ready?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. All right, yeah, come and can you put like your foot up on that? Yeah, exactly, just like that. 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 2. Hold that right there. 1, 2. 1, 2. And give me like your hands kind of up right here. Yeah. 1, 2. No, you could just actually just stay lean back on the wall and look at me with it. Yeah. Ooh. Hold up. Hold up, yeah. All right, yeah. That's just what I want. Take that, put that hand back right there on your, yeah, and lean into it. Yeah. Perfect. One time. Yeah, perfect, just like that. And turn your face off towards this way. Put your chin up on me. Yeah, and come like this way right here. Yeah. Perfect. And look straight at me. Perfect. Put your chin up. Perfect. Now, 1, 2, 3. Yep. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, I like that right there. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2. Perfect. Oh, hold up. Hold up. 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2. Let me see how that look. Perfect. 1, 2. And can you get like in the position like this, where your legs kind of like this, and you can angle yourself, whichever side you like best, angle yourself to that side. So, yeah. And can you get into these a little bit more? So we got the flowers. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, that's perfect right there. 1, 2. Love it, love it. These real quick. And flare your hands out a little bit, like, yeah. Perfect, just like that. Oh, love it, love it. All right, and do like a turn to your side and kind of kick your leg up a little bit. Yeah. What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD. And if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.